Yes, money is important for everyone. Some might have less and others might have more. But the big question is how to keep money safe so that in times of difficulties it can be used. On the 15th of August 2014, from the ramparts of the historic Red Fort in Delhi, Prime Minister Modi appealed to the banks to open doors for the millions across the country who don't have a bank account. Under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, banks did the same. Here's a special report from villages of Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh.
This is Amarsas village of Unnao district in UP. With a passbook in hand, these women of the village present a story of empowerment. These women, once dependent on someone else in their household for money, now themselves do money transactions. This is possible due to the Jan Dhan Yojana. Under the Jan Dhan Yojana, each account holder will be provided with zero balance account with a RuPay debt card in addition to accidental insurance cover of 1 lakh rupees.
तो जीरो बैलेंस पे खाता खुलेगा और उसका हम लोगों को लाभ मिलेगा, इसलिए हम लोगों ने जीरो बैलेंस पे खाता खुलवाया इलाहाबाद बैंक में।
हम लोग खुश हैं और सबने खाता खुलाया है। हम चाहते हैं भविष्य में अगर कोई ऐसी सुविधा, ऐसा हमको कुछ लाभ इससे मिले तो हम बहुत धन्यवाद देंगे प्रधानमंत्री को।
For the village of Amarsas, Jan Dhan is a stepping stone towards the march of progress. The story of empowerment and dignity is being emulated in Sarthara village in nearby Barabanki district. With the Jan Dhan Yojana, people also got a golden opportunity to get livelihood. Using the RuPay debit card, people have taken loan to open small businesses.
खाता सभी को खुलाना चाहिए, इससे फायदा है। अपने घर पर जो फसल बेचकर लाई गई है उसका पैसा यदि घर ही धरा कहूँ आग लाग गई परिगवा या चोर आए उठा लेगा, इससे अच्छा जो है बैंक में डाल दो पड़ा है, जब जरूरत है निकाल लाओ फिर अपने काम का प्रयोग कर ले।
Today many people from the economically weaker sections of the society have accounts under the Jan Dhan. This has given them some stability in an increasingly changing world. This journey of empowerment has reached Andhra Pradesh's Srikakulam district in Gapali village. The local bank in the village has opened accounts for almost everyone in the village. The village may be small, but everyone has made sure that they utilize the scheme. The bank has even sent its staff to the houses of village elders so that even they can have an account. Another benefit of the scheme was that people got to know about the central government schemes which have been transformational in nature. Through Jan Dhan, subsidies, pensions and other benefits are getting directly transferred into the bank accounts, which has brought a major change in the lives of many people, not only in villages but across the country. Bureau Report, DD News.